phone. Who dis?
Hi, yeah, it's Jake from notascam.com.
Oh, that's really good to hear. I get a lot of scam calls these days.
Oh yeah, I totally feel you. Well, anyways, I just wanted to let you know that if you or a loved one died of mesothelioma, you could be entitled to financial compensation of up to $100,000.
Oh my goodness, that's bananas. I died of mesothelioma last week. How do I sign up?
I've never gotten this far. Play cool. Yeah, I just need your credit card and your social security number.
Oh, well, that's perfect. I've got both of those numbers memorized. So, Social Security, 745-8...
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Are you there? Dang it! Flippin' nuggets, man! Stupid banana! Always cutting out! I need to make something better. Let's build a tin can telephone.
Is your lapel mic on?
No.
But first, we need a tin can. Get in. Let's drive. We found him. I want that.
Minutes later.
So that's everything we need. If I explain what we're doing yet. Alright, so...
Welcome to Rambling with Jeff.
Yeah.
This is the segment where I take way too long to over-explain a simple concept.
Very large. And then we got another guy, another tin can.
Yeah, this is super boring. But if you want to see the whole thing unedited, give me a follow on Patreon, link in the description. I'll throw it on there. Let's skip ahead to the good stuff.
So that is what we're building. We're building a wireless tin can telephone. Let's get back to building it. We also need electronics. Did I mention the video was sponsored by DF Robot?
Now it's time for a commercial break.
Do you want to build this project?
Yeah!
Do you need parts?
Yeah!
Well, have I got the solution for you? DF Robot makes ordering parts online simple.
Just go to their website, find a component, add it to your cart,
And wait for it to come in the mail. It's that easy. But really, guys, I wanted to say thanks to DF Robot for making this video possible. They provided all of the parts used in this video, so if you want to go support them, there are links down below in the description. Please check them out. Thank you so much. Let's get back to the video. Now we have everything we need to do the project. I think the first thing we need to do is drill some holes. Let's go do it outside. Hole number 2. That is a really quick way to make a hole. Chop them off. Ah! There you go. Welcome back. We are back in the house, and we've got both of the holes drilled. I think it's hot glue gun time. Actually, I'm gonna get some water first. Okay, now it's hot glue gun time. We should probably plug in the hot glue gun.
Another 15 minutes later.
I'm going to take this little antenna and I'm going to put it against the inside, and then I'm going to put some hot glue on it. I'm going to do the same thing with the Uno, with the speaker, with the microphone, and the battery pack. Now all that's left is wiring it up. It's all wired up. I think it's time for some field testing. Wait, we need a second one. Oh, how convenient, a magic keyboard. All right, just put that there and do a little Control-C, Control-B. Whoa. Hey, that worked out pretty nice. All right, let's test them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, all right, we are here with my buddy Levi, and we are doing the social distance test. We're 6 feet apart, so let's see if the tin cans work. All right, can you hear me? What? Oh, wait, I forgot to turn it on. Okay, okay. Can you hear me? Yeah. Oh, this is so awesome, dude. Yeah. I can hear you clear as day. So can I. Sweet. I would say the social distance test is good to go. Now it's time for the real test. Yo, hey, look over here. I'm up here. All right, we have a test. It is working test. Hopefully you guys can hear that through the audio. That's super awesome, dude. Yes, it works. This is awesome. Look at how far away they are. Hey, what do you think about the tin cans? Yeah? Would you say they're better than a banana phone? Oh, there she is. She's headed up.
This is so cool.
Right? What do you think, guys?
I still can't believe this.
It's great. Do you have anything you want to say to the channel?
Like and subscribe to Facio Ergo Sum.
Thanks, man. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I will be posting some more projects like this. If you want to learn how to build it yourself, head on down to Instructables, link in the description. And thank you to GF Robot for providing all the parts and making this video possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Jeff, signing out.